So once you've opened your Pixellab, this is how it's going to look like. First thing you're going to do is to delete this new text. Delete it, then click on this three button that is here. Image size. Increase the image size to be 1.5. Then you click on this circle that is here, this circle. Then you click on import your recent file. Then the mockup that we've done before, png file, you click on it, add it here. Then you can see it's here. What you do, use this circle to enlarge it till it almost fills half of the screen. Put it here. Then you come back to this cycle, click outside of this box, come back to this cycle and click import. Then go to this and click on Mac. Then you're adjusting the auto. Then after you're done with that, you click on this here and lock this so that you will not be moving this book. And see now, but if I should unlock it, if I click on it, I'll be moving it. So we don't want to do that. So you come here, mark, lock it, and click on it. Then the next thing you're going to do, you come to this place here, then you change the color, let it match the background, put it on gradient color. You can see, so this background, we're going to click on this plus button to make it darker. Then click on this here, adjust the color to make it darker. So you can see now how it's looking. So what you're going to do, you click on this mark button, then you go to where this cycle again and click on import, and import your bookshelf that you have made here. Put it, use this to enlarge it so that it almost fill the screen, or let it fill the screen. Then what you're going to do, you're going to place it to the back just like this. Click on this here, then you move this down. You can see it has gone to the back. And after you're done with that, you come to this place, look for opacity, then reduce the opacity level, something like this. Once you reduce the opacity level, you click mark it, then come over to this same spot again. Then you click on import to import your social media icon. Then once you've put them here, you click on crop, then adjust it to only WhatsApp. Then press copy, crop it again, just move it to Instagram. So you do the same thing for everything. So once you are done, you can see now that they are not mixed together. So what you do now, or what you do next, you click on this A that is here, click on text, then click on edit. Then you can add your phone number or whatever you want to add to it. You can see now. So use this to reduce it, reduce the size. Then you come to, you scroll to where you see color, click on color, then click on white so that it can be visible. So you just adjust it so that it will fit in. Then your Instagram and your Facebook, move it down. Then you click on this edit, then you put in your name that match with your Facebook and your Instagram. Then you drag it down, reduce it to a small, then you scroll to where you see color, put it on white, mark it, you can still reduce it again. Make sure when you're moving it, you don't touch the edges. And you can see now we're done. But we want to make this background look more unique. This is what you're going to do. You come over to this place, you click on color, you now click on the plus button, then you click on this that is here, this one that is here, drag it like this, then click OK. You can see as it has made this place brighter than here. So once you're done, you click on that button that is there, click on save as image, then click on custom, that button that is down, click on ultra, save to gallery to make it very clear. So that's how to do it.